Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this brown triangle BCD fully confined in a right triangle ABC, as you can see in this diagram, such that this segment AB is parallel to this segment DE, and moreover this segment EC is 8 units. Whereas this side length AB is 10 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this brown triangle BCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And in this video, I am going to share with you with two different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. Before we proceed any further, let me go over the basic concepts. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this brown triangle, so therefore, let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times height, as you can see in this triangle. Here we have this our base, and this is our height. If I label this base as lowercase b and this height as lowercase h, then our area of a triangle could be written as b times h divided by 2. And now let's focus on our this brown triangle BCD. We know that this angle is 90 degrees. We know that also that AB is parallel to DE. So therefore this angle DEC is going to be 90 degrees as well. And in this brown triangle, this side is going to be our base, and this DE is going to be our height. So therefore I'm going to label this base BC as lowercase b and this height DE as lowercase h. And now we can see that this big right triangle ABC is similar to this smaller right triangle DEC according to angle similarity theorem. Since this is our common angle for both of these triangles, and moreover this angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 90 degrees as well. So therefore we are going to have a proportion. In other words, the ratio of AB and BC. Let me write down AB divided by BC is going to be equal to the ratio of DE and EC. Let me write down DE divided by EC. And now let's make an observation. We can see our this AB length is 10 units. Our this whole BC length is lowercase b. So therefore I'm going to replace this one by lowercase b. This DE is being labeled as lowercase h, and finally this EC segment length is 8 units. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced all these side lengths by these values. And now let's go ahead and cross multiply. So therefore we can write b times h equal to 10 times 8 is going to give us 80. So thus our b times h value turns out to be 80. But we know that the area of this brown triangle is b times h divided by 2. So therefore I'm gonna substitute this b times h value as 80 over here. So therefore the area of this brown triangle is going to be 80 divided by 2, and that is going to give us 40 square units. So thus the area of this brown triangle turns out to be 40 square unit by using the very first method. And now let me share with you the second approach. Let me go ahead and go over the basic review once again. And here let's focus on this red triangle inside this rectangle whose base is lowercase b, and the height is this whole h. And here let's consider another triangle, that is the black one, whose base is lowercase b as well, and the height is lowercase h as well. So therefore the area of this red triangle is same as the area of this black triangle, as long as their base and their height is identical. And likewise the area of this green triangle is going to be also same as the rest of these triangles, as long as their height and base are same. And now we are going to consider this triangle DEB, whose base is DE and whose height is BE. And now in this next step, I have connected this point A with this point E. And as a result, we got another triangle AED. And we can see its base is DE, same as of this other triangle. And likewise, the height of this triangle AED is same as the height of this other triangle. So therefore we conclude that the area of this triangle DEB is going to be equal to the area of this triangle AED. So therefore we conclude that this area of brown triangle BCD is going to be equal to the area of this shaded triangle AEC area. And now let's focus on this triangle AEC once again. We can see its base is this 8, and the height of this triangle is this whole length 10. So let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times height. In our case, our base is 8 and our height is 10. So therefore the area of this triangle is going to be equal to a half times our base is 8 times 10. Let's go ahead and simplify. So the area of this triangle turns out to be 40 square units. And now we can see the area of this triangle AEC turns out to be 40 square units, and we know that the area of this triangle AEC is same as the area of this brown triangle BCD. So therefore the area of this brown triangle turns out to be 40 square units by using this second method. And in both scenarios our answer is same, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.